The staff feature on admin panel will show us the total number of staffs in the institution. If you click on it, you will see a list of all the staffs. If you click on the staff profile, you can see the details of the staff, the assigned subject, even assigned roles to the staff. If you want to add a staff, click on the add sign at the bottom right corner, fill in the details. The username of the staff will be the phone number only, but here also you can customize a username for the staff. If you want to assign the staff as admin, then select the box beside admin. It will automatically assign the staff the admin role. If you click on a staff profile and then the three dots on the top right corner, you can edit the details of a staff from here. You can even deactivate a staff or delete a staff. Understand, deactivating a staff will only block them for a temporary time from using the app. If you want to activate a staff, then click on the activate button on the top. Then click on proceed. If you want to see the total number of deactivated staff, you can click on the three dots on the top and view deactivated staff. Thank you.